Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness. Physical illness is at the all-time high, plaguing us at the age of all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. But your word is the calm before the storm, the calm before the blessings. It always gets really silent before God starts shaking up the whole world and starts blessing everyone. You ever been around a baby, a child, and when it gets quiet, you wonder, what's going on? This is that moment. What is going on? Environment, spiritual shifts, upgrades, evolution, and blessings are coming through. So be calm, just like a tremor, not like an earthquake that could shatter its world, which is easy you can do, but be a tremor that can put a baby to sleep and go with the flow. You're in the right place, right time, and get ready for breakthroughs. I breathe and live and grow with the light within me, and I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment. If you're focused on the present moment and you practice freedom, you're not stuck in the past because you outgrown that person. You're not worried about the future because victory is on the way, but you just enjoy the moment. There's a lot of freedom in that every single day. All fear dissipates because fear fears you. Once you look in the eye, I guarantee it runs away like a coward. Therefore, you can continue to draw in all positive energy and enjoy your life. And I cast off all doubts, and I find peace within my being. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.